Jesus Christ, no. No.
Get ourselves together here, okay?
No,
Hey, it's
not
okay.
now,
Okay.
not you.
Trinity.
I am seriously, Curtis, do not touch me.
Okay.
Do not even breathe near me right now. What do you all want from me? Huh? All of you, what the do you want? You want it on the record? Is that it? Is that what you want? Okay, fine. Fine. Yes, there was a point in my marriage where I did not think that we could reconcile our differences. There it is. Every last one of those people out there, we were there for them. We helped them. We spiritually nurtured them and guided them to Christ. Now they want us to fail. They want us to fail. Can you believe that? You can. Sure, you can. Don't think for one moment that I haven't known what you were up to from the second that you stepped foot in this church. You came to show the big bad wolves who eat up all the little piggies. Well, guess what? Those are not little piggies out there. I am. Right here. I am the victim.
Why don't you just leave?
But why would you ask her something like that?
So she speaks. Look at that. You broke your little fly on the wall code, huh? What are you even doing here, Anita? Why are you even here?
I'm just showing this city and this culture. I want to understand you and Lee Curtis, and I want to understand the truth.
Yeah. Well, that is bullshit, if I have ever heard it. Why don't you just leave? Blah, blah, blah. Is that it? Come on, girl, is that all you got? Because those kinds of questions are not going to get you to any real truth. Trust me, I have asked them. You. And you. And you. And you. And all those folks out there who are going to see this, I want them to know that I did what I was supposed to do. I prayed, I knelt, and I was good. So yes, this is mine. This is my church. And that is my husband. And I would sooner kill him than leave him. I mean,